Hey.
Now, keep going, Maya, keep going.
Go, go.
Maya.
Woohoo!
It's okay.
Very nice. I'm still. Okay, go.
Don't do it too long.
Then let's do some Maya.
יופי, כל הכבוד.
Dun, dun.
Ilan, cut it out. Wonder if it has an image stabilizer. Did she just stop on?
I'm not now. I don't want to be
Maya and I could rock together today.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not heavy yet.
Go, go, run after her. I think she's getting a little nervous. I can't see her. Wait.
The car's coming. Oh!
You gotta run, Gary. You gotta run.
She's on her own.
There you go. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
She's on her own.
Alan!
Come on back this way, Maya. Come on back. Good girl. Good stopping. Good.
Eli did it!
She did it. Keep riding, Maya. Good stopping.
If someone will hold the bar.
Keep going, Maya. Start pedaling and you could do it. Nobody needs to hold you. Just start pedaling. Uh-oh.
She has to learn
Yeah.
how to get on. I have to
Learn how to get on.
What do you mean learn?
I think it's a hold.
I'm gonna teach her. You don't sit on the. Don't do it. Don't sit.
What
But have to get off the seat, like I told you. Find the pedal. Bring it forward a little bit. A little more. It's okay. One part of it. Yeah, like that. Bring it forward.
No, bring it forward. No, bring it the other way. The other way.
Turn.
The other way. Bring it forward.
No, don't get on the seat. It's too tall.
Well,
Yeah.
I want to go.
You get on like this. Not on the seat. You can't do it, Maya.
I want to be kids home.
Yeah.
Do